You're thinking about bringing a lawsuit for your accident matter or your medical malpractice matter or even your wrongful death matter. And you've heard about something called mediation. Let me share with you why mediation is like entering into a diplomatic solution instead of going to war at trial. You want to know what I'm talking about and why it's important for you? Come on, come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. Mediation is an opportunity to go ahead and try and negotiate behind the scenes. A mediator is typically a retired judge who now agrees to listen to both sides in an informal setting, usually done in an office. Each side has an opportunity to present to this judge, this mediator, what they believe the proof will show and why they believe that they are right and the other side is wrong. Likewise, our adversary has the opportunity to do the same thing, to explain to the mediator why they believe they are right and we are wrong. Once each side has made their brief presentations, now the mediator begins what I call shuttle diplomacy. He goes from one side to the other, not only telling them about potential offers and what he thinks the case is worth, but he begins to put pressure on each side, explaining to each side, listen, I think they've got a great case on liability, here's why. If you don't settle this case now, a jury is ultimately going to come back with a significant jury verdict. And now he goes back to them if there's an offer and explains to them why this might be a great offer and explains the risks associated with not taking that offer. And then it continues going back and forth where now the mediator is trying to reach a settlement between the parties before the settlements break down. And everybody reaches a line in the sand that says, no, I'm not going any further. If you don't like our offer, if you don't like what we have to give you, let's go to trial. And what that means is you're now going into battle. And the trial literally is going to war. The attorney doesn't put on a military uniform. Instead, he puts on a suit, he puts on a tie, he carries his briefcase. That is an attorney's battle uniform. And what's his ammunition? His ammunition is his verbal ability. His ammunition is the evidence and the testimony that's going to come out at trial. That's what an attorney uses when he goes into battle in the courtroom. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because in all likelihood you're considering bringing a lawsuit, but you wanted to learn about mediation and how trials work, and in all likelihood you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know I answer questions just like yours every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.